Hey guys, Kirk here from Treehouse 51, and in this video I'm going to show you how to set up a coming soon page on your WordPress website. Now the reason you're going to want a page like this is to prevent traffic from coming to your website when it's not really ready to be viewed yet. So we typically see this when we get new clients. We'll be working on their site and we're still in development mode and we're just not ready for them to check it out. So we put up a landing page like this so that when we're ready to share it with them, they can actually see it and get the best user experience possible. So how do we make this type of effect happen? Step number 1, log into the backend of your website. Step number 2, go down to where it says plugins and select add new. Step number 3, I want you to search for the following term. I already have this plugin activated, but it's going to be this one right here. They have 5-star reviews. We've never had a problem with it, been using it for a long time. So go ahead, install this on your WordPress website and select activate. After you've activated it, go to the right hand side and look for cprod and select settings. From settings, check your general status. So for us, we like using enable coming soon mode. There is a maintenance mode, we rarely ever use that, and then disable is to turn it off. If you want to have a logo, all you have to do is add it to the media library and then put in the URL. And if you want to change the coming soon header or this messaging, no, really, we're coming soon, you just do it right here. And then go on the bottom and select save all changes. Now I'm going to show you quickly these other features in case you're thinking about buying this tool. Well, we've never really thought about buying it because we just don't need it. The free version does more than enough of what we want. Still, here are the options. If you buy it, they do have different themes which look kind of cool. But you can also update the background color and add an image if you like. That's not something that we're really interested in doing because this is a coming soon page, so there's not really a big point in doing that, but maybe you guys do have a reason to do that, you could. And then other features that you should check out would be the advanced tab, where if you wanted to add some scripts, you would do it right here. So the way I would see this using is, let's say you're driving traffic to your website, or people are coming to your website, or you have a new business that's opening up and you're getting traffic. You could add a script, like an Adwords remarketing script here, and then you can tag those people and later market to them. This isn't the only way to do that though, so when you develop your website, you add your codes in your framework, so this is just another option to do it that way if you like. And then finally, the live preview mode. Live preview mode shows you what this looks like. And this is subscribers. So subscribers, if you want to build something, you can use this tab. Again, this is a pro feature that we don't really use. Let me know what you think of this video. If you liked it, give us a like below. If you have any comments, ideas on next videos, please tell us below. We do try to read all comments and respond to everybody. Thanks, guys.